Dito naman nag-gira eh, sa mga Amerikano tsaka Vietnamese. At maraming kwan dito. Uy, bakit nandun
Over
sila?
here, everyone. Come.
Iinom sila ron?
So in front of you over there, that's your first like tunnel. The first tunnel is quite easy, just around 15 meters long.
Ah,
You
ay
go down
papasok
right
pala
there,
kami
and
dun sa
you go up
tunnel.
over there, 15 meters long. And you go down right there to see the well for water well. Right? Right down there, there's a small corner, so you can stand like straight up inside. When you get into the tunnel, pay attention, you need to bend forward. Despite being widened, the tunnels around here, they're still quite small. This is around over 1 meter high. So you need to crouch, hunt inside. Right? If you got any health problems, you shouldn't go down there for your safety, especially with asthma, high-low blood pressure. Alright? And one-way traffic. That means when you already down there, just keep going. You cannot like go back up at the same way. Right? So please line up everyone.
Is there a snake in the tunnel?
Just lie down there. There's a ventilation system, so it's totally safe for you. Alright, everyone, please line up.
Line up.
Don't worry.
Let's move it.
Papasok ba kami? Hindi, pinag-isipan namin. Papasok kami.
Hey guys, what's your nationality?
Canadian.
Oh, Canadian. Okay.
Yeah. What about you?
Yeah. Filipino.
Ah, papasok tayo, hindi.
Quebec.
Papasok tayo.
15 meters to
Where in Canada? Ah, where in Canada?
15 meters.
Nova Scotia. It's like
Malalim na yun. Pero kung malaki,
Pero 15 meters lang ang distance.
time zone. Canada has
15 meters. Hanggang dito, hanggang dun.
My cousin is in Toronto. Oh, nice. Okay, these were
6.
We're going to Vietnam. Galing ka na? Doc, galing ka na?
Hindi natin mapapatunayan na nanggaling tayo rito dahil tayo pumasok.
No, 1 meter, ano?
Hindi gagapang. Nakasiminto na.
No bombs are unexploded bombs are out. No, it's just that's a lot of traffic.
Salvador!
All right, man.
Where's the light?
Is there a snake here?
No snake.
No snake?
No snake.
Grabe ang dilim ng tunnel. Pumapasok kami dito yung tunnel ng mga Vietnamese. Nung sila yung nagkikipag-gira. Yan o. Oh, kami ni Pastor Jerman. Si Pastor Jerman yung nauna.
Oh, Jesus.
Alright.
Grabe ang pinagdaan.
Ay, grabe talaga. Naku, ang sikip na. Where's the exit, dude?
Here.
Alright, so dito na kami. Hey! Salamat, salamat.
You made it, Doc.
Pagod. Hanggang dito, ganun lang.